The United HYNNIEWTREP movement, who had recently inspected the open space located near the PYNTHOR Catholic Cemetery, where it was learned that the Syiem of HIMA Mylliem AINAM MANIK Syiem had given permission for shifting the archery ground from FURLONG POLO to civilian area at MAWPAT, had recently met the Syiem of HIMA Mylliem at his office to submit a memorandum to him to oppose the same. In an exclusive telephonic conversation with Media Plus, the General Secretary of the UHM, Shadab, informed that after a recent complaint from the organization, the Syiem of HIMA Mylliem AINAM MANIK Syiem said that there had never been any discussion related to the renewal of the agreement issued for 3 years from 2019 to March 2022. Shadab also added that according to the Syiem, the archery sport had never been conducted in the said residential area, and should the same be started before the end of the agreement, the Syiem of HIMA Mylliem assured the UHM of shifting the game to another area which is away from civilian area.
Hadin ke jumwan kendu jung Syiem ke HIMA Mylliem nakalian ke UHM. Hadin lagi labu itu ke jung ujor hau di laong ba kampat judan kana kono ke jung ujor te makir kimpat kit kampat berkat kata. Ndai hadin kene ke jung ujor kila ong ba adu minta kimpat pensiar kenam hak tu jaka. Ndai kat kaladon ke agreement minta licensement berkilaya ndai kimpat ju pensiar. Ni nak daw bukan ke case atau court apa yang itu ke association di member juga association terhadap kimpat lah dan pensiar sama kini ke jaka mai. Ke yang ba kini ke agreement ke jungsnan government akan kut how much arajar arkuar. Ke yang ikular ini ba lada ke kut no how much arajar arkuar in ba kinum renew ya ke agreement ha ke jaka. Amal ke kum ke jing percaya na kalian reseng jung itu yang ba Katu kerja kamlong suitable nak minta ban set dia team. Yang ba ilah ban Aishawe la ni ilah ban discontinue no ya ka agreement. Tiba yang wat la da ki haban set no so ban kut ke agreement tu. Yang ba in ai no ya kerja ka balong suitable shawe pat. Tinum Aishu ang tu balong hapen Shillong hapen ke residential area hajan ki lumjing tap dat ki money. Kata hi ka outcome ka bagi lawan ni kedo batu Syiem juga HIMA Mylliem.